Remember, the future belongs to those who prepare for it. You don't wait for it to come on you. If you have a garden and you wait and you don't cultivate your garden, what you're going to have is a lot of new growths, right? Weeds. You're going to have weeds. You have weeds. And weeds are often unwanted. You don't grow weeds in your garden. You want something that you desire. So life is that way. If you let it just come, it will come with all the weeds, all the unwanted circumstances, all the unwanted events. And then you say, I don't know why this happened to me in my life. Well, it happened because you didn't prepare for what you wanted. Why did Jesus say, ask and it shall be given you? Seek and you shall find. Knock and it shall be opened unto you. For everyone that asketh receiveth. He that seeketh findeth. And to him that knocketh it shall be opened. Those are the words of Jesus. So don't let things just happen. The forces of nature will not work in your interests without control. Remember that. They won't work in your interest without control. That's why when God created everything, he brought man the last. And then he said to him, subdue it. He told man to subdue the earth. Control it. Because it won't just do things nicely for you. You have to subdue it. So that comes home to each one of us. You have your word. You have your own word. How things run